Hello children. So in the last video we just revised the atomic models once again, and the Rutherford's gold foil experiment we saw detailedly. We studied detailedly. Now let us get into the next concept. It is atomic number and mass number. What is atomic number and what is mass number? Atomic number means, here see what is Niels Bohr's atomic model. At the center, positive charges are there along with one more particle. What is the name? What is positive charges? Positive charges are called as protons. Protons are positive charges. Along with the protons, one more particle is there. The name is neutrons. What is the charge of the neutron? It is a neutral charge. It is neither positive nor negative. So around this nucleus we have electrons. So here we have number of electrons in the outer orbits, and orbits also we have different orbits: K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. That and all already we had seen in the previous video. Now what is atomic number? Atomic number means the number of electrons or the number of protons. See, number of protons and the number of electrons will be equal in a stable atom. So number of electrons is equal to number of protons, and this number of electrons or number of protons is called as atomic number. Once again I repeat, what is atomic number? Atomic number means the number of electrons or the number of protons in an atom is called as atomic number. Now the next one is mass number. What is mass number? Mass number, here it is clearly written, just to read. Mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons. See, don't get confused with atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of protons or the number of electrons. Here only the proton is written. Okay, anyway both are equal. Number of protons and the number of electrons are equal. So atomic number is the number of protons or number of electrons, and mass number is number of protons plus number of electrons. See the definition here. Just a minute. Yes, here in the textbook if we see atomic number, the atomic number means the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Only protons. Number of protons in an atom is atomic number. We can say electrons also, but the problem with the electrons is the number of electrons may change at any time. The electrons may get released from the atom at any time, but protons cannot be released very easily. So protons, the number of protons will not change very easily. So the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called as atomic number. So atomic number means, what is the definition of the atomic number? Atomic number is defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of a system. Now what is mass number? Already we had seen. Mass number means the total number of protons plus neutrons. See, in the Bohr's model, atomic model, we have already seen that in the Bohr's atomic model we had already seen that at the center we have protons and neutrons. So what is mass number? Protons plus neutrons. The total number of protons plus the total number of neutrons is called as mass number. See, atomic number means the total number of protons only, but mass number means the total number of protons plus the total number of neutrons. This is the main difference between the atomic number and mass number. Now, the atomic number is denoted as Z. Z means atomic number. Mass number means A. A is mass number. Now, always mass number is mentioned here at the top and the atomic number is mentioned at the bottom of the element. So, if we write helium and here some number, here some number. What is this number? This number is mass number. And here if we write any number at the bottom, that is atomic number. So this is the difference between the atomic number and mass number, and this is the definition of the atomic number and mass number. Now let me repeat. Atomic number means the number of protons present in an atom. Mass number means the total number of protons plus the total number of neutrons is called as mass number. Now let's go to the next concept, valency. What is valency? Valency means, for example, just imagine you have 3 rooms. You have 3 rooms, okay? In that 3 rooms, you have 2 options. You can accommodate 3 people in those 3 rooms. First person in the first room, second person in the second room, third person in the third room. Otherwise, no accommodation. Empty. 3 rooms will be empty. These are all the 2 options you have. First option is you can accommodate one person in each and every room. Otherwise, no accommodation, empty. All the 3 rooms should be empty. Similarly, just to compare this example, just bring this example in the atom. Now, those 3 rooms will be in the outer orbit, the outermost orbit of any atom. Here, not only 3 rooms, it depends on the the atom, different material. Now, valency, the concept of valency, what does this mean? See, always this atom will try to do what I said. It will try to fill all the rooms in the outer orbit. Otherwise, this atom will try to empty all the rooms in the outer orbit. Now, for example, here, if we see in hydrogen, 1 electron is there at the outer orbit. Okay, but hydrogen is having 2 rooms at the outer orbit. Here, 1 more room is there. This is first room, this is second room. In this first room, already 1 person is there, but in the second room, there is no person. Nobody is staying. So what this hydrogen will try to do? This hydrogen will try to do, means it will try to remove this electron. Okay. Otherwise, it will try to take any electron from outside and it will accommodate here. Okay. Once again, I will repeat this concept. Listen. See, hydrogen, here 1 electron is there, but hydrogen is having 2 rooms. 1 room is empty, 1 room is occupied. Now this hydrogen will have 2 options. One is this hydrogen can remove this electron, or this hydrogen can take some electron from outside and it can accommodate here. Okay. So this is the concept of valency. What is written here? The definition of valency: capacity of an atom to give. Here this hydrogen will remove, that means it will give the electron to others. The capacity of an atom to give, accept or share electrons to achieve the octet state. Okay, so this is the concept of valency. One option is it will try to give the electrons from its outer orbit, otherwise it will accept the electrons from other atoms to its outer orbit. This is the concept of valency. Now, what is isotopes? Isotopes means isotopes are variations of chemical elements that have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. See, we can understand isotopes in different way. Isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. What is the denotation for atomic number? Atomic number is Z. Mass number is A. Okay. Now this Z will be same for isotopes, but A will be different for isotopes. Let us see one example so that you will understand. This is the best example for isotopes. Here hydrogen only, but is having different number of neutrons at its nucleus. First let us take protium. Here there is no neutron, only one proton is there. Deuterium, here only one neutron is there, one proton is there. Tritium, two neutrons are there, one proton is there. But if you see the number of electrons, one electron, one electron, one electron. Electron is same. And proton is also same. Proton, one proton, one proton, one proton. But what is varying? Neutrons are varying. Here no neutron, here one neutron, here two neutrons. That means same atomic number. Atomic number is same for all the three elements, but the mass number is different for these three elements. So this is what called as isotopes. What is the definition of isotopes? Isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. This is the definition of isotopes. Now what is isobars? Isobars means just opposite to isotopes. See this example. This is an example of isobar. You just look at the center, nucleus. Okay. Here take the first one, 18 protons, 22 neutrons. What is the mass number of this first atom? Mass number means what? The total number of protons plus total number of neutrons. So what is the mass number? 18 plus 22. What is the answer? 18 plus 22, 40. This is the mass number of the first atom. Let us take the second one. What is the mass number? 19 plus 21 is equal to 40. You take the third one, 20 plus 20, 40. 20 plus 20, 40. So for the first one, second one, third one, mass number is same. But if you see the number of electrons is different. 18, 19, 20. And if you see the number of protons, that is also different. 18, 19, 20. So the mass number is same for all three elements, but the atomic number is different. This is what called as isobars. Once again I will repeat, what is isotopes? Isotopes means same atomic number, different mass number. Isotopes. What is isobars? Same mass number but different atomic number. This is isobar. So what is the difference between isotopes and isobars? Atoms having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Atoms having same number of nucleons. What is nucleons? Nucleons is nothing but mass number only. Nucleons means protons plus neutrons. Same number of nucleons but differ in number of protons. Otherwise we can say same mass number. Here the definition is written, same mass number but different atomic number. So this is what the difference between the isotopes and isobars. And isotopes, the application of isotopes, the isotopes are being used in various fields. For example, nuclear power plant. In nuclear reactor, these isotopes are being used. Uranium, the isotope of uranium material is being used in nuclear reactors. And To cool down the nuclear reactor, the different isotopes are being used, D2O and all. So these are all the applications. And one more thing, the isotope of cobalt is used for cancer treatment. So there are so many applications for these isotopes. So that's all. This chapter is over. It's a very important chapter in examination point of view, and as well as for higher studies also, if you go with science in your class 11 and 12, and of course for class 10 also, this chapter is a basic. Without this structure of the atom and atoms and molecules chapter, you cannot understand class 10 science. So this is very, very important in examination point of view and for your career also. So the examination, your second periodic test will start from this coming Monday onwards, 7th December. So prepare well, okay, revise everything properly. MCQ questions will be there, and as well as this descriptive type questions will also be there. So study well and write well. All the best for the examination. Thank you.